Good morning, everybody. Welcome. We're back. Another day, another dollar. We're gonna try making some smoney's a day. Hopefully, all you guys had a good day yesterday and good evening last night. Let's see what we got here. Those are good. Let me check our audio. Good morning, Jose.
Morning, Duane.
Morning, G.
Morning.
Good morning, boys. Can you guys say something real quick? I'm checking the audios.
Yo. Saying something.
All right, so that sounds much better than when I was in Mexico. So we'll take it. Awesome. Let's see. Yeah, should be good. Well, now I'm ready. I'm hoping we get some good moves today. I want to make a couple dollars. What's up, Chris? We're going to try to, bro. We're going to try to today, bro. From your lips to God's ears, we're going to make some money today.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mitch. As soon as I get off stream today, I'm going back to sleep. My body's in complete recovery right now because I was looking at the numbers. You know, we all like numbers here. Last night was the first night I actually got like actual sleep in 4 days. So, your boy's going back to bed after this.
Yeah, your body was speaking to you.
How was your trip back?
The trip back was pretty good. I slept the entire way on the bus and the plane.
Nice.
Because it's an hour ride from the hotel to the airport on the shuttle. I slept on that bad boy. I slept on the plane. Brenda woke me up when we were like 15 minutes out from landing. I'm okay. Went right back to sleep.
I usually do that too. Someone wakes me up when we're still in the air. I'm like, dude, wake me up when we're at the gate.
Yeah.
Because there's times you be sitting on the tarmac waiting for a gate. I'm like, nah.
Good morning, Smooth. Oh, and the taxi because we fly JetBlue normally. Flying out there, we flew Spirit, never again.
Never fly Spirit.
But the taxi from JetBlue to is so long. I mean, so long because they're in a special terminal, a new terminal here in Orlando, and it's a long ride to your taxi. Like you're at least going around the proper airport for like 5-6 minutes, just cruising. Good morning, Smooth.
Yeah, thanks to that B terminal.
Oh, I love Terminal C, bro. That's why we only fly JetBlue, because that terminal is so nice, and it's a lot of walking, but it's so nice. And they have the little shuttles that will take you too. So,
like the train thing?
No. They have guys like on little carts that will take you to your gate.
What?
If you don't feel like walking.
I see like the golf carts that bring people around.
It's similar to a golf cart, but it fits a little bit more people.
That's it.
What's up, David? Good morning, fellas. I'm praying that we get some good moves today. I need $150 in one account to take another payout. So we're going to see. I'm not going to push it. And then I'll have to decide, right? Do I take the payout, or do I just keep stacking until some of my other accounts are able to take a payout, and then I do all of them all together again? That's the decision. Because if I put the 150 and I could take out $1,000 payout, or I keep stacking, I could take a 2-3K payout on that same account. So decisions.
Green is green.
Green is definitely green. You ain't lying about that. I'm just happy to actually be in the office trading. a little bit more comfortable for myself. But we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna get my ice machine out after this. I'm gonna ice my chest and go to sleep. Because I'm trying to see how I'm feeling by like 5 o'clock today, 6 o'clock, to determine if I'm shooting out to San Antonio. San Antonio. Good morning, JT. Sounding like Steve, but who knows?
Is Trader Buy working good for you?
I have not tried executing any trades.
I didn't try to execute a trade, but like today I woke up and it says I have a $6,000, $6,000 off my account. So I was like, okay, and I didn't trade it. So I was just wondering if anybody had that weirdness.
I have not had that weirdness.
And I did execute I clicked on it and it's still showing that I could still trade on it, which if it was like a blown account, like it automatically went, it would be tilt.
Yeah.
So they're at it again.
What?
Yeah, that happened to me one time with one of my accounts, and they just I got to support and they gave me a free one.
Yeah, because it's like I can put something down, but it was like, wait a second, $6,000.
Yeah, and that would blow the account automatically.
Yeah. I mean, it would be a set of liquidation. So, it was acting up yesterday. I started a ticket, so hopefully we'll get to it today.
Okay.
But I mean, it just shocked me that $6,000. It's like I don't need help. Just they're gonna make a mistake. Throw $6,000 the other direction.
And then request that payout. Oh man, so right now, just so we know, we got the VWAP currently sitting at 916.75, 916.75 area. We got pivot right above that, 922 even. Close from yesterday, 936.50, 936.50. Then we have a pivot point below us, all the way down at 715.50, 715.50. The 21 EMA is currently sitting right. I would throw in the 854.25 area. I say area because I can't really see the line is behind the candle currently. But in that area. For everyone on YouTube, is the audio, everything sounding good for you guys? We're back, so we should be pretty dialed in. But if it's not, let me know. And I'll see if I can fix something for y'all. Whoa. Oh, okay. Hadn't touched that computer. Try going to sleep for a second there. That scared me. I'm like, oh, what just happened? Is the audio good? Crash. Good morning, Is. So I was telling the folks here, I have to decide if I take a payout today or if I keep stacking it. Because if I make less, well, I have to make $150. Technically, I only need $20, but 150 for the day to count. But I would be able to request at least a 1K payout. So I'm like, do I take the 1K payout or do I just let it roll over and then take a payout next week on multiple accounts, not just one account, this week? That's my dilemma I'm in right now. Y'all let me know what I should do. Or not even that, just give me your opinion.
You're done trading for the day.
What was that?
I would say to wait until you're done for the day trading and see how you feel. Because green is green, but if let's not confess nothing, but you don't want to lose that.
No, 100%.
He's wise, man. He's got that.
The only reason why I'm even debating taking the payout is so that way it can reset. Because I would have to trade for another 5 days. Where if I just keep trading, I would always have it where I can request a payout until I decide what amount I want to take out, because that account I'm maxed at taking out 3K payouts per payout cycle. It's a select 50K.
seconds.
25 seconds for market open here. Let's see if we can make some monies. I'm waiting. It looks like we got a potential little bear flag on the 1 minute, but let me switch over to the 2. See what the 2 is looking like. I don't know how my son convinced my girl to stay home from school today, but this kid's chilling in the house.
He just wanted to see his mom, man, and see his dad.
No, 100%. He was seeing us the whole.
You were in another country, you monster.
He was seeing us the whole time. We were on FaceTime like the entire time with him. He'd be calling.
He wanted to see you in the flesh.
100%. I love him. No complaints. No complaints. Let's see what we're gonna get. So through that 21 EMA, now we're trying to pump a little bit. Luckily, I'm waiting for the first 15-minute range, so don't have to get overexcited. A little bit. All right. We got the overnight low sitting there at 798. 798 for the overnight low. Yeah, so for that overnight session, we dropped pretty aggressively from 25,054 to 798. Ooh. Morning, Mikey. Good morning. Show me the money. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. Tapping that 21. Good time to be patient, folks. Good time to be patient here. No reason to just jump in and jump in. Let's wait for the market to settle and to decide what direction it wants to move in. Actually, let me go check that. While I'm waiting here. Oh, looking too fast. That's crazy. Probably the first time ever for me. Look at one of my accounts here on Tradeify, and in the dashboard, I've had 0 trades that were less than 10 seconds on this account. Not bad.
Your dashboard is working now?
The dashboard's working. I still don't have the journal.
Okay, so but you can see your stats.
Yeah. Well, you can see the micro scalping rule,
Okay.
everything like that. If you want your actual stats currently, you would need to go to Tradeivate. Let's see.
I appreciate everybody in the community's help, and the mention about finding out what's going on with my damn account. I appreciate it.
You know that we work as a unit.
I know, but I still want to show respect.
And they appreciate that. Your boy's medicated today. I took the ibuprofen, 600. I took some Theraflu to reduce the cough. I'm doing anything and recover right now.
I didn't know you had a cough too.
Yeah, so I've had like a dry cough since Saturday. But I pulled the intercostal and something else in my chest that attaches to the rib cage.
Yeah, I know that injury.
So every time every time you cough, everything like that just aggravates even more.
Yeah, so it's like a sharp ouchies.
Yep. That it is. So I'm trying to do it because the whole time I was in Mexico, I was coughing up a storm, causing more inflammation. Like, it was not enjoyable. So me and Brenda said we're going to definitely have to come back solo without the kids. Well, I'm in better health, I would say. And then of course she got him. She's like, you know, when you heard the pop in the gym, you should have stopped. I'm like, yeah, but babe, I was in the middle of a set. All right, we just took out the overnight low right there. 798 was the overnight low. We just took it out.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going on? Oh man, look at that drop. Oy, look at that drop.
Come on, Betsy. Wait for me. Wait till 9:45, please.
Man.
Born, I got rest. That's my issue. Last night was the first night I got rest in 4 days.
And all that dancing is catching up with you.
Yeah, all that dancing. Listen, you know I'm not feeling 100 or even 50% when I gotta cancel the Trader Hangouts. Like, that's when you know it's real, because that's one thing I don't want to do. I don't want to cancel those Hangouts.
Are you still traveling tomorrow?
I'm gonna see how I'm feeling around 5 today.
Moose, if he is traveling, you better like line him up. Look at his eyebrows. It's getting scary out there.
Oh man, you know, shots fired.
It be your own people. It be your own
crazy.
people.
Yeah, damn. Put me on blast. Okay. Listen, the reason I ask is I probably have to go see you today at around 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I'm gonna text you my girl's number as well, just in case I'm sleeping. You hit me.
Oh,
yeah.
In case of an emergency, I'm like shit.
No. Just in case, because after stream today, I got ice getting delivered. I'm gonna use my ice machine and ice my chest, and I'm going back to sleep.
Oh no, I get it. Just for the record, one day I thought something had happened to Duane because he wouldn't answer me, and I even went up to the door and knocked and called him like crazy. You remember? I was at your door and I'm like looking at the camera like, where are you? Yeah, Duane had the tendency of disappearing.
No, here's one. Here's one. So Moose texted me like, oh, like, yo, are you gonna be coming through whatever, or are you good for a haircut this weekend? I text him back, yes, 9:30. Sure enough, he never responds. Nothing. Yeah, I'm like, that's weird. And then like the next week, I text him again, nothing. I'm like, this is weird. Moose has been my barber for like over 8 years now, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, yo, what's going on with this guy? So I call him, nothing. I call him from my girl's phone. He answers. I'm like, oh, this ninja got an issue. Tell me how he accidentally blocked me. This man accidentally blocked me, so I've been hitting him. So when he answered the phone, he's like, hello? Who's this? I'm like, yo, it's Duane. What's going on, bro?
Yeah, I remember that. I was like, bro, you haven't called me.
He's like, bro, I've been hitting you. You haven't responded. I'm like, bro, I've been hitting you. You blocked me. What's up, BP?
I remember that. He was like, oh.
But he was steady liking my stuff on social media. I'm like, how this man not respond, but liking myself on social media?
You ever pick up the phone and be like, oh yeah? That was Duane's voice. Oh yeah?
So that's what we do now, huh?
All right, bet. I'm going to go Joel.
I remember that was funny. And I was wondering, I was like, oh, how come we haven't heard from him? Oh,
Craziness.
man.
Craziness.
For sure.
What's up, BP? I'm going to hit you and Dylan later today around 5. We'll say 6. Because I'm trying to see how I'm feeling. Because your boy's in straight recovery mode right now. Last night, I did sleep like a baby. I was in bed before 10 o'clock.
For you, that's a miracle.
Oh, I'm normally in bed like at 2, faithfully.
That's crazy.
Just do me a favor and don't mention that you're getting ice, because you're going to have some blue-haired, non-binary people, like, protesting in front of your house.
I am getting ice today delivered to the house, by the way. I have a whole ice machine. So that's why I gotta get it delivered so that way I could ice. So what's really cool with my ice machine, like it built
somewhere across the country, a white woman just had a heart attack because she said ice machine.
You have the ice machine. So I can put it on any body part and it pumps water through a hose from a cooler. So you put the ice, put some water, and it filters the water through the sleeve wherever you have it.
System.
So
he's like a cyborg now.
Pretty much, for when you have a lot of injuries, knee pains, and you work out a lot, you got to know when to ice.
So that's how Iron Man kept himself cool in his suit.
Pretty much.
And then you go to like a country music concert and you just put a beer in there and suck on it.
No, you can't do that because you can't open the sleeve because all one unit. But it's funny. My girl's mom's friend came over and she like hurt her knee or something, like playing with the kids outside. So we put it on her. She's like, oh, I need to get me one of these because if you ever had a sports injury, this is the best thing to get. Because it's life changing. It's life changing.
Yeah, it's like, you know, you're not trying to mask you with like a painkiller or something. It's like actually doing stuff. So.
That and it stays cool, but it keeps you dry. Like that's the one thing I would hate about icing. Like sometimes the bags will leak.
Oh yeah. And
everything.
And just like managing it is like a pain in the butt.
And this keeps the full pressure on you as well because you put the sleeve wherever you want it, and then you like strap it down, if that makes sense. You wrap it. You wrap it with the Velcro. It's like compression icing. So it gets deeper. It gets deeper.
Oh my god.
Sound like Moto from Madagascar.
Look at these wigs, man, on the 5 minute. It looks terrible.
Yeah, I'm honestly just hoping I can.
The 15 is the same weight. The 15 has a lot of wigs.
I'm just trying to make $150 a day, so I can take at least a 1K payout because I gotta pay. If I still go to San Antonio, I gotta pay for PP. I gotta pay for BP's dinner. You know what I'm saying? And $1,000 should cover it.
What if it's a little bit over 1,000? You know, like what would you say?
BP's gonna have to like dine and dash.
Well, he's gonna have to pull out his phone and trade in the restaurant to make it. Oh, that's $1,050. I'll be right back.
At the count of 3, everybody has to go to the bathroom, right?
What's up, Dre? Welcome back, bro. Yeah, I'm back in the States till next month when I go to Colombia. Yeah, I gotta go over there. I gotta get my teeth cleaned, a deep cleaning, some whitening, the whole shebang for $150. Because I was quoted here in the States like $4,000, $3,000 or $4,000 for the stuff I wanted done. I'm like, yeah, I'm not paying that. Yeah, bud.
Outsourcing. That's true.
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Yo. Get away from mommy.
For that same price, you could take a trip and get it done.
Oh, listen, the flight over there is mad cheap. The hotels are mad cheap. Our money goes so much further out of the States.
Listen, in Medellin, when I went, we stayed at one of the best hotels in the area, and I think I paid $65 a night.
Damn.
Yep. Yo, Medellin is I mean, you can't shit. You do have times that there's hotels are super expensive, like $250. You know what I mean?
Right.
But it all depends on what time you're going and how far in advance you're booking it. But
Yes, Duane.
also, if you book it from here, so use a VPN and book it like you're next door.
Yeah, because they see you're American and they're like,
Yeah. You know, they charge you like crazy. You will feel it. Absolutely. But it's Medellin is awesome. Is this gonna push down or what?
It looks like it because that's looking like a bear flag. But I didn't like that previous candle wick. That's why I wasn't really like just jumping and jump it.
Oh, push down. Come on, Rico, show me.
I'll be very
Very careful.
very careful. It is 9:46, so I am officially cleared to trade. But this market's not really
Moving.
doing anything right now.
It just like 100 points.
it's like we're all dressed up, no place to go, man. What the hell?
Yeah, somebody figure out a direction or spot.
Well, we got yesterday's low 752.25. 752.25. Let me give you the numbers for this 15-minute range as well. So the low of the 15-minute range, 763. 763 for the low. The high of the 15 is 883.50. 883.50 is the high. The low is 763. 763. Good morning. Good morning.
What's going on?
What's up,
Hey,
BP?
what's up, BP?
That's when you know the markets are boring. That's when BP jumps on. When he's bored, that's when he jumps on and talks to other people.
I think he's still asleep. He's like
Yeah.
sleep calling
Yeah,
us.
usually I do be sleeping.
DP, where do you live? Where do you reside?
Hey, BP, where do you reside? You know? So proper.
San Antonio.
Oh,
Nope.
okay.
No, I do not live in San Antonio.
Dang, man, DP, why you say it like that though? How do you know I'm not in San Antonio?
I don't live there.
Nah, I don't live there. I don't live there. San Antonio's whack, right? I'm just kidding.
San Antonio's whack.
When I was younger, I did a mission trip there. We
Nice.
went to like, I guess like kind of like a poor areas and neighborhood, and we basically, well, my team did is we built a hand railing for an older gentleman so he could basically go from his front door to his vehicle. Which we also had to dig like holes and like build like posts and like use concrete and stuff. So it was a pretty nice one. Yeah, we sanded it down and put some oil on it to make it look a little nicer.
That's pretty dope.
That's awesome, man.
Hopefully somebody's still using it to this day.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, that's awesome. I wanna I obviously I cut hair, right? And I have a set of clippers that I don't use because they're corded. I use mostly cordless now, but I have set of clippers, like I said, that are corded, and I want to go to the less fortunate areas and give away free haircuts. That's like my contribution, you know?
100%.
Cool. Yeah.
I gotta see if it's legally allowed, because you know sometimes the like for food here, for example, you're not allowed to give food. You get a fine for that.
Damn.
Which is crazy.
Yeah. Like if you, because I went to this is the downtown area here, and I gave a guy a homeless like some food, right? And the cop saw me. He's like, hey, you can't do that. He's like, because if you get sick or whatever other reasons, I'm like, whatever, bro. But he warned me about getting a ticket.
That's crazy.
Which is crazy,
Yeah.
super crazy. We are sitting in the middle of this 15-minute range right now. Do not diddle in the middle, folks. Do not diddle in the middle.
But this market's moving like crazy. Oh no, I just took too much Valium.
Oh, and Gina.
Yeah, homeless shelters up there. News for you guys.
Yeah, they do.
it's downtown area.
I was gonna say, if you went to one of those, you could, set up with the people that run those, like, yo, on these days I'll be here for free haircuts or whatever, for the folks, type deal.
You know what? That is a good idea, actually. Because they have all the permits.
Right.
Yeah,
And
that's really look into that. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Moose, later I'll send you the name of the place because we were actually looking at doing security for them.
Oh, nice.
It's the largest one in Orlando.
Is that the one in downtown?
Yeah, it's right over by. It's close to like the Orlando City stadium.
Oh, you know which one I used to go to? The one in off Roslyn.
Okay,
Not go to it, but since I work downtown, that's the one I used to walk by.
got you. Okay. Good morning,
Quick
Timothy.
story about a homeless guy though. I went to a Thai place. I got fresh food, just bought. I'm walking down the block. I see him sitting on some set of stairs. I said, "Hey, you hungry?" "Sure. What do you have in there?" I was like, "Look, fresh food, not touched, brand new Thai food." He was like, "What's in the cup?" "Iced tea." "I don't drink iced tea." I was like, "Oh my god."
That's crazy.
Hey man, somebody giving you a free drink, either you take it or you don't.
I said, "Man, forget it. I ain't giving you nothing."
I'm
hungry. Homeless guy says, "I don't drink iced tea." Like, "Oh, I'm sorry."
Well, I thought it was beer or something.
Possibly, but dang.
That's when I turned to like a high schooler and started roasting. I was like, "Are you ungrateful?" I'm like, "Bruh, stop playing."
Yeah. Absolutely. Man, this market today.
Yeah, it's slow. It's slow.
Hey, if anybody's got any more stories, feel free to share them. We ain't going nowhere anytime soon, so by all means, please.
All I need is $150 too. $150 for a 1K payout right now.
Come on, 30 minutes left here. Hurry up, do something.
We're coming up towards the VWAP.
Man. Well, you know what?
I'm just enjoying watching these ladies golf today. Got 4 golfers.
I actually think that we may be forming a 1-hour tab into like this versus previous inverse fair value gap mixed with like some hourly fair value gaps, and we might be trying to build like a bullish bias for the day. Maybe it's could be considered as like a bullish S&P with manipulation. I'd just like to see us like start displacing higher.
Well, if that's the case, then we can take out the London high and yesterday's PM high. Is that the high or the low? Oh, PM high and lunch hour high and all that.
I wouldn't want to stop in more displacement though.
The current hour is coming off of my one of my EMAs at 24,888, and it's bouncing off towards bearish. I mean, it's bullish right now, but it's bouncing off of that, off the top of it. So we might be coming down.
Well, there was the VWAP tab right there. We just have that VWAP.
Yeah, touch the VWAP as well. And the 4 hour is also bouncing off for bearish on the mine EMA as well. So right now,
Tim, I'm glad you're not going kamikaze, bro. Base hits. So we just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. We're above the VWAP. Let's see if we build out a bull flag up here. Build out maybe a bull flag. Give us some momentum. I'll be okay with that.
yeah, absolutely. That would
I'm
be
good with any clear direction that we got going on here.
Yeah, we need something. We need something.
Chop City so far.
The only thing that I kind of have going against my bullish bias is that we could end up just reversing and coming out and taking London low. Because right now, ES and the Dow Jones came and took out London, but NQ hasn't taken out like that previous session.
Okay. Let's see, what low did we take? I know. Yeah, you're right. Well, we already took out one low.
Yeah, we haven't taken out yesterday's New York session low.
Yeah, 752.25 for yesterday's low.
Yeah, we were close. About 10 points?
Yeah, that low is what I was referring to when I was trying to talk. I meant previous London session. That's kind of my bad.
No, I knew what you meant, BP, because I was like, I think you meant this, and that's what I was waiting for, too. We got close, but then we just completely reversed.
Let's see if we get above. If we stay above this VWAP, I want to see us have a strong bullish push here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
We all riding today.
We all riding today.
We're back above the 15-minute range. There is selling pressure up here, so that's why I'm slightly hesitant. Well, there we go.
Oh.
Dang, we're getting above that price. I was thinking it would be good.
There we go.
Make sure to protect yourself because there's always the possibility of wanting to grab this liquidity high before pushing lower.
No, 100%. I just moved my line up again. Let's see if we get a flag. Need a flaggy flag.
I think I might be being too greedy with where I want my entry to be.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep it going.
Oh, man, let's go. Up.
You know, if we all cheer loud enough, they might hear us in the New York.
We gotta act nonchalant or it's gonna reverse.
Give me that pivot touch.
We made it to 10.
Oh,
Thank you,
shoot.
G.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, it's coming off the let's see.
I'm about to get a 10 out here while we're trading. It's gonna be good. Not that I need it or anything, but you know.
You're outside?
Yeah, I'm chilling on the pool deck, bro.
Hey, let's go.
You hear that airplane?
We cannot hear the airplane.
Oh.
Are you in your hometown or or somewhere different?
I'm in Florida with my grandparents, my grandma's house.
Nice. $45 seconds till 10.
The only thing I don't like right now is that the Dow is kind of failing to take the bullish momentum and take out this high that the other ones just came in. We're trading above.
That just closed. Unbelievable, Duane. Unbelievable. I was waiting for that push. It never came. It never came. Let me rotate.
We got 10 o'clock in 5 seconds.
I'll show you guys my view that I'm looking at.
No, baby.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Just was it 2 days ago? I took out the plants that's in that
Very
spot
solid.
and over there. The distant garden, you know.
Well, I mean, being Florida, you're in a nice screen room, so you don't got any stuff biting on you. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's true. Somehow these buyers be a little crafty. They be getting in here and making themselves right at home. Let me tell you. I ain't got to pull long enough to try to swipe them out of here, but if I could clean this place, I would. I mean, there's a guy we can call, but save me some money doing it myself.
Yep. So we came down, we touched that 21 EMA. We touched that 21 EMA. Let's see if we lose that 21, to be real with you.
21, can you do something for me?
Come on, Betsy. Not liking this chop motion right now on these Rinkos.
It just feels like it's not doing much. To be honest, it was nicer looking at the pool than looking at the chart right now.
I closed that one 520 on that trade. I'm not going to sit in it.
I can turn the camera back on.
The live stream, everybody misses the move because we're looking at the pool.
Well,
So that'd be 3.
I think around 11 the waterfall will start on this hot tub here.
Yeah, that sounds like mine. I have mine set up where it turns on 10, 11 a.m.
Yep. And then around 6 or 5:30 p.m. it turns off and
Why did I cancel my order?
Yeah, we got some golfers over there. Is it in this thing?
And now we're pushing.
Now look, put back the pool. Put back the pool. Hey, that shit is nice. Where are you?
So we just pushed right through that first target.
I'm in Palm City.
Oh, that's nice, man.
Yeah. The place is called Monarch Country Club.
Oh,
Y'all want to go? Y'all want to go golfing sometime?
You know when you say country club, you know that's AKA money.
Yeah, not my money.
Not my money.
Not my money.
I I don't think your grandparents want me to try to play golfing if they have a house near the golf course. That's kind of risky.
Hey, somebody did hit the ball the other day, and it landed right between the bush and our screen. It was a big old smack. I was like, well, nice.
Yeah, no, thank you.
The guy tried looking for it. I was like, hey, it's over there. Does anybody golf in here at all?
No, but golf is hard, man.
It is hard. I can't golf. I mean, I can hit a nice drive, but everything else, forget it.
You gotta be flexible. I'm stiff as a board.
We're right at this pivot. Let's see how we react here. We pushed through it, but we came right back down to it. So let's see what we get here.
Yo, Duane.
Yeah.
My screen like blew up. How do I make it back down to regular size?
What do you mean it blew up?
Oh, he means like it expanded, like he expanded it.
Top right on Ninja Trader, hit the F button.
No, the other one. Tradeovate.
Tradeovate?
Just scroll down the numbers on the right-hand side, and the numbers at the bottom will scroll out the screen.
Oh, like did your candles get bigger, or did you like expand? Did you do like? Oh, so just the chart zoomed in.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Then hit the magnifying glass with the minus.
Okay. Windows.
You'll see the magnifying glass
On the chart.
on the chart on the left-hand side. It has the plus and the minus. Hit the minus.
All right. Okay. I got time, so I just closed down the whole window and reopened it. I got nervous as hell.
Hey, that works too. When in doubt, close out.
Yeah.
Hey, whoever works.
Absolutely. Thank God I wasn't in the trade.
Yo, some of these people be having some nice pinned out golf carts, not gonna lie. These things got some nice wheels on them.
No, trust me, I know, because I got a golf course over here as well. And you see the golf carts rolling. I'm like, man, you must be a heavy golfer to have a pimped out golf ride. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Right? Things probably got heated seats too, or cool seats.
Hey, just for the record, Duane is a really nice community. I took the backside of it, and I'm like, yo, Duane, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, that's part of my community. I was like, bro, yo, real. No, listen, it's in the car. Like you'll never find it, but it's nice.
That's dope.
Yeah, he's doing good.
anyways.
Good thing Duane is in Arizona.
Exactly. I'm in Arizona.
Yeah.
I'm in Arizona, folks. If you're trying to come
in
visit.
Arizona 3 weeks ago.
Moose blowing up my spot over here. Jesus. Trying to be low key on the internet. Oh, Duane's house. You're driving for a long. No.
They're gonna go find you. I was like, Duane, this is nice. Oh yeah. Yeah.
And what's really cool about my neighborhood, like, it's a large community, but there's two sides. So there's one side that tons of houses over there, but my side, it's smaller. Everything's connected with little golf cart paths, literally. But my side's a more private side, where I think over here we only have like 60 homes on my side. Still gated, everything like that, but we're ducked off over here, so we like it way more than be on the other side where everybody's at.
Mm-hmm. Those people.
Yeah, those people. You know what I'm saying? Those people.
Are you creating a flag on the one?
On the one, let's look. That's looking like a bear flag on the 1 minute.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, this community here is pretty nice. There's bigger homes on this portion of the property. Towards the other side, you get like the smaller, more condensed houses.
Mm-hmm.
I think those ones have been here a little longer.
Okay.
But honest to God, the prices on those things are astronomical. I personally would never pay that much for that kind of a house. When a house over on this side is almost the same dollar value, but you get more space, you know? Plus,
Yeah.
cool.
Give me the space. Give me the
Yeah.
space all day long.
But this neighborhood that I live on with this street, these people are really nice. The whole neighborhood, honestly, really nice people. Considering that most of them are in their 70s on up. Or some of them are 50s, 60s. But there's a couple young families here, but it's not common for this area, per se.
Yeah.
To have young folks in their retirement zone. But there's a gentleman right across the Gulf from me, actually. Met them the other week when I was driving my one wheel, and I was like, yo, what up? Bro just got an M3 convertible, got a big old Ford Raptor and a big old Escalade. And I'm like, yeah, y'all definitely young folks.
You know what it sounds like, Dwayne? What's the one up here for the elderly, the community?
Oh, I got no clue, bro.
Up by me.
What was the Heathrow?
Man. No, like further up, like villages.
Is that one Alco Lakes? I forget. I think it's Heathrow.
The villages, man. The villages is insane.
No, but he has one right by him, Steve.
Yeah, that one. But it's not for the elderly. That's like for anybody. But the one at the villages is nice. They all have like a lot of people have sports cars, decked out golf carts and stuff, and they party.
They party.
Yeah.
We still got the selling pressure.
Y'all got a lot of dogs in your area? Because I got a lot of like these little purse dogs that be romping around with the folks here.
Not the purse dogs.
Everybody likes their small dogs around here. There's a couple big dogs, but like not like my dogs, that's for sure. I got two massive dogs.
What do you have?
We have an Anatolian Shepherd mixed with the Great Pyrenees and the Saint Bernard mixed with the Great Pyrenees.
Damn.
Samson is the Anatolian Shepherd / Pyrenees, and Stella is the Saint Bernard / Pyrenees. Oh my gosh. Honest to God, I'm glad I'm down here because my clothing has been fur free for 2 months now. I'm loving it. Plus, we have a cat, but he's pretty chill.
Let's see if we get. All right, there we go. We're back below that VWAP right there. We're below the VWAP now. I'm expecting this thing to start falling quickly.
Yeah.
Why is your sound like that? What sound, bro? The voices for the people from the call or for my voice?
Probably hearing an echo or something.
Possibly. But everything's muted, so that they may be hearing echo from my voice, not mine. But it's you guys are getting pushed out of the speakers into this mic here, so that's probably causing the echo. Because I gotta be able to hear y'all.
Echo. Not make words, side people.
Yeah, those are the voices you're hearing. Those are the members of Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Those are the market makers.
Hello.
Big trust. Mexico was good. I did not really get to enjoy it. I had a great time with my girl, but I was in pain the entire time out there. So last night was the first night I've gotten like actual sleep in 4 days. Yeah, bud. I don't know where your charger is. Don't come over here. Not dressed. Go find it. Or just go in Daddy's room and use my charger for right now. Nope. You can sit on my bed. And you can charge it on my bed. sorry, you won't be able to build your port and charge your iPad. Go find your charger then. Get out of here. I don't got time for you right now, bro. I could. No, get out of here, bro.
That's hilarious.
Who is that other guy? Let them introduce themselves. Tell me, yes, he could. No, you can't. Dealing with a 5-year-old, thinking they know everything. Crazy.
A whole different world down there, man.
Oh, 100%. The restaurant had not restaurant. The hotel, the resort had tons of great restaurants. But honestly, I wasn't even really hungry while out there because, like I said, I was in complete pain. And your boy didn't buy the travel insurance. That's why I didn't cancel.
Next time.
100%. 100% next time.
Don't worry, we already know Green's coming back in like 15 days.
Brendan wants to go back in April. We've already booked September and paid for it. But she wants to go back in April with the kids, so we'll see.
Pretty cool.
We may be taking a whole gang out there.
This could be like a bullflag.
Yeah. That's what I'm on the one, right?
Yeah. Maybe.
That's what I was looking at right now.
That would be a big.
I'd rather wait for the 5. The build,
Yeah, I mean, the poll kind of got absorbed depending on where you consider the poll to end.
Yeah, sure,
Like right now, I want to see us build a flag on this current push up on the 1 minute. So I want to see us build right here.
Look at the 15 also.
Ugh. Damn, you put me to sleep.
Yeah, today's a little bit of a slower day. I really wanted now to catch up, so that way it doesn't form this S&P to the downside.
Let's get through that pivot. There's the pivot tab.
Yo, it's crazy. I'm trying to lose money and I'm gaining money. I opened up another 50K select and I'm trying to keep it under 40% and I'm up $1,000. I'm like, no.
Man, I wish I had that problem.
Man, Jose's so good. He can't even lose money. He's trying to lose money. He keep making it.
I ain't never heard somebody say that one, but hey, my cash app is.
This rule is killing me right now.
Hey, man, I'll send you my PayPal.
Yeah. Listen, you can send me the money and pay for a drink or something.
And pay for the drink or something.
Feel free.
PayPal, make sure you do friends and family, so I ain't getting charged for nothing.
Yeah,
No, I'm not
I
getting
just paid for Dwayne's haircut.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you.
Haircuts are 6,000.
Yeah, the most expensive baldy you'll ever see in your life.
Hey, if you're trying to give away some money, let me know.
Why on, wax off.
My budget is unlimited. No. I think we're gonna might go up a little bit. Oh, looks like, oh no, a little bit of that button. Yo, look at this. Holy, oh,
Damn.
Oh.
What type of chop is that?
Oh my.
That's a FBI open up, clean out your house type shop.
That's what I was looking for right there.
Well, I was in the trade. I may close this one with how it just did that.
Yeah, well, right at the bottom, right to the top.
That was crazy.
Let's see if we rebound here. If not, I'll close this. Because that was just weird.
that was way too crazy. I gotta leave in a couple minutes.
Where are you going?
I gotta face reality.
I gotta face reality.
Oh, 1 minute on the 5 left. With that long wick, it might drop. And the 15 looks, 15 is too much. Still got too much time.
You got a bird chirping. Oh, it's a blue jay. Look at that. What's up, dude? Can y'all hear that?
I
Nah.
heard a small chirp.
Not the small chirp.
Yeah, tweet.
I'm just joking, but I think I figured out my technique. Just act like I want to lose money, and I'll make some.
Hey, whatever works, right? Whatever works.
It's the lack of fear. The probability is in your favor.
Yeah, I'm trying to doing that. I'm gonna take that.
Yo, cause this is we're in a different scale over here. I'm trying to make money, and you're trying to lose it. Shoot. I'm gonna try to learn how to lose it. I'm good at that.
I'm good.
I was just saying, I was about to say, mine like I try to lose and I do lose.
Hey, wait, hold on. Were you the one that paid $900 by accident?
Hey man,
He
that
was.
on silver. That was on silver.
I ain't never gonna had that problem.
And you know, I don't know, if you ever traded silver, that thing chops more than this, but it moves drastically in one little bit.
Well, I need that accident.
Like that one move down that we had a little bit ago, 2 candles ago. That's silver on the regular.
Yeah,
When
no,
it
that's
goes
scary.
down, and it's petrifying, man. You'll see your count go up. You better hop on out.
How about gold? Gold's the same, right?
Yeah.
Hey, the Dow is finally giving us a good push on there. It'll follow through.
Well, let's keep that going. Bring some of that over here.
I'm getting ready to close this one. I'm not liking this price movement right now. I was hoping the bulls were going to step in, but they haven't yet.
It's a little choppy, real choppy.
Between this line and that line. Doing great at staying in this lane today, that's for sure. That's 2 large candles to the downside.
I closed. First red day of the month. First red day of the month for me. Oh.
I aspire to be like you, Duane.
And watch it start to pump. We'll see. What's up, guys?
Yo, G, is D-Money saying anything over there?
I'm switching over to EVA. I'm done trading my fundeds. Got wrecked. Not wrecked today. Not happy with my performance. I'm not going to blame me not feeling 100%. Tomorrow's a new day.
I'm up 657.
Let's go.
I'm red in 2 fundeds, green in 1.
I'm up 657 with 30 feet.
I
can imagine what they say about me on the chat. Fucking hell of trash.
Man, this last shit got dude with sweaty feet on here. I ain't hopping on this.
Smooth. I've never used Trade Sinker, but one of the guys in the community, he uses it.
But listen, guys, I really gotta go. I gotta go. Like I said, face reality, see clients. Feel free to send me the 6,000 for Dwayne's haircut. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Dwayne, I'll see you like around. As of right now, let me see. Let me look at my scheduling. I'll see you around 3 o'clock. Is that
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Remember, now I'm not gonna bring the shop.
No, that's fine.
All right, cool. Guys, see you later.
Yeah, moves.
Yeah, man, have a good day.
See you later, moves.
All right.
Let's see. Let's see if we get above this pivot. I'll work on putting some more money in this 150K account with Tradeify. Eval.
Got some youngsters on the golf course now.
Not the youngsters.
Look
Look at these youngsters over here.
Taking its time. Also, I guess we rejected off of this 4-hour like fair value gap a couple of times as well. Seems like it might be just delivering back and forth between these two higher time frame levels.
Yeah, looking at, we're going sideways right here above the 15-minute range in a small range. So for me, I suck at trading ranges, by the way. So I'm gonna need to wait till we get above that pivot point above us here at the 2183. Or I'll probably say below. Let's see here. Below 857.25. Below 857.25. That's the range I gotta get above or below, so I don't get chopped up. Actually, I'm gonna rotate to a different account. That one. It's not that I'm a YOLO in this one, but this one is pretty close to being able to become a funded if needed. So I'll actually trade on this one first. That's showing on this 2-minute a bear flag right here. But we need the full flush. We got that buying wick too as well. So just be careful. This market's just chopping. Uh-oh. What happened, BP?
Oh, nothing.
Oh.
Stop chopping.
Oh, I thought you just like lost like $10,000. That sound you just made scared me for you.
No. Trust me, if I lost that much, I would.
But we're hearing some like screen getting smashed or something.
You know what? Could be, but I don't think I'd risk that much ever. Not yet. I'd have to get like a bunch of accounts.
Where are we going?
It's just one of those shop days, honestly.
I just being a great scalper where you just hop in and out of each candle.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
What's up, Johan?
Yo, what's
How
going
you
on?
doing?
What up?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Oh, you're not in Mexico?
No, not anymore. I came back
Already
last
done.
night.
Alright. You had a good trip?
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. Happy to be home though. Happy to be home.
You had the good suite, right?
Yeah. The room was really nice. I was just in pain the entire time over there because I pulled, or not even pulled. I strained two different muscles that attach to the rib cage, and every time I would cough, everything like that was a sharp pain. So it wasn't as enjoyable in Mexico this time. Let's see if we get the full flush. I want the full flush here.
Momentum.
What are you looking at, Johan?
I was trading Forex this week, but I'm gonna hold out for the rest of the week, I think.
Nice, yeah, it's always good to just go with your own pace, honestly.
Yeah, I had the USD longs, but I didn't take it because I wasn't sure and it worked out perfectly, but it's always like that.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Well, it lets you know that you were looking at the right thing as well, though.
But I want like an A+ setup, like always. I'm like that, so. But risky money don't make money, right?
Yep. No. That does
scary
not.
money don't make money. I mean, yeah.
I'll be right back, y'all.
All right, BP.
Let's push up.
I just got stopped out. Luckily, it's an eval. But I did get stopped out because on the growth accounts, you have a $1,200 automatic stop loss. So even if you don't close out, they close you out. And look at that push. This is straight chopping.
It's a range now, I think.
Yeah, we've been sitting in this range for a minute. What's up, Will? First red day for the month. First red day for the month on the night. It took me 19 days to have a red day this month.
That's pretty dope.
Hey, it is what it is. It happens. It happens. Even in me, people. Even in me, it happens.
I will take those odds. 19 green, 1 red. Keep that pattern going. Not bad.
You know, base hits. Base hits.
The question is, if you lose more on your losses than your winners?
Nope. So I'm for the month. I'm well over the green. Well over the green for the month. But today has not been a clean day for myself. So I'm green in one of my fundeds. I'm red in 2 of them. I'm not even putting the other fundeds up at risk since I'm already down in 2 of them. I'm not going to rotate over. So I'll only mess around now in evals because I'm not willing to risk fundeds anymore for the day.
Yeah, shopping.
ChatGPT works, man. I'm telling you. I use it to get this 40% consistency down pack, and it's giving me the numbers as I need them, what I need to make daily.
That's awesome. I use ChatGPT too. I'm like, how much do I need to do? What do I need to get this under? We're back above this pivot. Are we getting ready to push away from it?
Yeah, it's gonna take out the high and then go down, I think. It's like chopping. It's like manipulating the liquidity or something. I don't trade futures, but don't listen to me.
Yeah, Johan trades Forex. He swing trades.
Nice.
He's a baller. He's a big baller shot caller.
But the Rico balls, like, they show the tick price action, right? not like.
Yeah, this is showing the Rinkos show the momentum of what's going on in the market.
Mhm. So if the price moves really fast, like there's gonna be a bunch of wrinkle bars at the same time.
Yep. So that way your eyes can see it better.
Mhm. But you don't wait for a retest? Like you enter on momentum directly?
Yep. So I'm looking for the flags, like right here. I'll be looking for a bull flag to start to print, and then once I see the momentum build and go through the yellow line with follow through, I will execute the trade.
Mm-hmm. But most of the time it retests a little bit, like it retraces a little bit, and that you can get a better price then, right?
I hopped into a short. I don't know if I'm gonna get cooked. We'll see.
Be careful. Be careful, BP. We're still right around this pivot point. Like I want to get away from this pivot, just to play it safe. Because I feel like it potentially may be trying to do a bull flag, but we gotta get that momentum to the upside here.
Yeah, I don't think that's the move down yet. It should take out the high before going down. I might be wrong. But
Right now, the market's just chopping today, so everyone can be right or wrong in a chop market. And that's real.
So far, BP's in the green. He's still in.
Yeah.
Well, be careful, Tim. Who knows what's going to happen, bro?
Thinking of going break even. I'll just close it. Whatever, all or nothing. Break even or we keep flushing.
This isn't even a flush yet, bro. We're going to retest this pivot. Like, for you, we want to see it reject off that pivot, take us lower. But we have that wick on that 5 minute and the 2 minute showing that buying pressure is trying to step in, but it's not enough yet.
At least you're risk free, so it's a free trade.
Yeah,
We do like free trades.
Come back up and just hit me for break even. Probably.
Come on, Betsy, give us something. We get above that pivot, I'll be looking for a potential long because that would be showing us a bull flag on the 2 minute.
I closed it. I had a feeling it was about to come get me anyway, so I just closed it.
Green's green. Green's green.
Yeah.
It's like playing Pac-Man. He's gonna find you, take you out.
It's gonna find you.
Let me see the long-term view on this. If it's the trend upwards or downwards.
It's been downwards, but I feel like we're slowly starting to try to make a break for either some kind of pullback or maybe even to just go all the way for opposite liquidity.
Just took a little scalp there before the yellow line. Had another like $200 there. Or just under
Yeah, it's
200.
downwards, but it's on a support level, like long term. So it's like creating a higher low on the daily. So yeah, it's
What's up,
50-50,
trade?
really.
We tapped that close from yesterday there. We just tapped that close from yesterday. And right now, market's not liking that close from yesterday. So at this point, if we don't get through that close from yesterday, we're not going up. I have taken trades. Today. I am green in one account, red in two accounts. I'm currently trading evals now. Not happy with my trade performance today. No excuses. I took the trades. What happened to yesterday's hangout? Well, I had to cancel. I've been overcoming some pain because I strained the muscle that attaches to your rib cage into your chest. And last night was the first time I've gotten actual sleep in 4 days. So, not sure if you guys have noticed on some of the earlier lives this week, you could see, I did some of the playback. My energy and everything was going in a downward direction. So, I'm hoping to feel a little bit better today. I'm going to be taking a little nap after this stream to help with the recovery process, because I want to be able to do the hangout tonight, and I want to see if I'm up to travel to San Antonio tomorrow, which I really want to do. But I know if I'm not feeling better, I know I shouldn't. So just waiting to see how I feel today around 5 o'clock.
I know Dylan's not here saying much, but I'm sure that we both don't mind either way.
Okay.
Sure as well.
I appreciate that, BP.
Focus on yourself, of course.
No, of course. But I definitely want to come. That's my issue. Brenda was telling me like, oh, you shouldn't go. I'm like, nah, I'm going. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. I get it.
But I haven't mastered it. But I've found what's helping me with the recovery. 600 milligram of ibuprofen, Theraflu reduced the cough suppressant, and that has me somewhat better. Because that was my issue, like with my cough, it continued to aggravate the muscle I strained. So every time I would cough, I'm literally pulling it even more.
Yeah.
Well, like my wife does apothecary stuff, so we have tinctures and all kinds of compounds I take if I'm coughing.
Just an FYI for everybody in the society and everybody on YouTube. Within the app, I went ahead and posted the 40% consistency rule that I asked ChatGPT in order to get funded on my Select 50K account. If you want to look at it, it'll tell you what to make profit daily and what to stay away from.
Good job. So that will give you 3 fundeds?
I'm only working with one right now because I blew upon it. So I'm just trying to get the Select down pack so that way once I get it funded, I don't need a consistency. I already know how to make money. So
okay. Awesome. Happy for you, bro.
Yeah, just like you, I'm paying my tuition too.
Hey, you gotta pay the toll across the bridge. At the end of the day, you gotta pay the toll across the bridge.
That's called taxes.
Yep. Like for me, right? For this month, I want to get at least 6 to 10 more K in payout. But say I don't do that. So far for the month, I'm up over like $7,500 in payouts already. If I lose all my funded accounts this month, you think I'm upset? Absolutely not. Because I would with the $500 total, that's why I invested $500, took over $7,500 out. You gotta have some. It's okay. You're gonna blow accounts. You're going to sometimes not have a good trading day. But as long as you're winning more than you're losing, you're winning at this game of trading. That's it. Do I want to blow all five? Definitely not. That's not what I'm talking about right now. But I'm just saying, in the grand scheme of things, the whole thing is to put in a little bit of money and take more out. That's it. It is. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Well, if you're there when we're there, we'll go get that burrito, bro. This Chop City right now. Look at these wicks on these candles. Just a Chop City.
There's a flag forming. It's a nice flag, no?
It'll finally start kicking in.
So here would be a potential bull flag on the 2 minute. But I'm not trusting it because the market has been chopping. I'm the first one to say I suck. Yes, I suck at trading chop. Hey, I'm a real trader. There's certain things I suck at doing. I suck at trading chop. Especially chop when we're just going sideways.
Yeah, well, sorry. You don't have opportunity to chop. Price has to move.
Price needs a move. And we keep running to this pivot point. We keep tapping that close from yesterday and we keep rejecting, right? So for me, it's like we need a clean, clear direction and a movement. I don't care if it's up or down. We need to just move in a clean direction. Or as clean as possible. Because it's never going to be perfect.
On your TV?
What was that?
Behind you? You have Bloomberg on your TV?
That is... I forget what channel this is actually. Squawk on the Street. Squawk on the Street is on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just had that in the background, you know what I'm saying? Like, since we're traders, have something back there related to the market.
Have something for the atmosphere.
Trade, you're Brett, right? Trade or no? I forget. My mind's slow a day.
Sure.
My mind's slow a day, boys.
Pretty sure.
You're pretty sure, BV?
Yeah.
Plans for today. I'm going to break out my ice machine. I'm going to ice my chest. I'm going to go to sleep on the couch up here, most likely. And going to keep it moving that way. Want to see how I feel later today. Well, Brett, my bad. Because I wasn't sure in my head, right? I wasn't sure, but I'm like, that sounds like Brett. It looks like Brett. But I'm not going to say it's Brett till I ask. Because you got so many different accounts, bro. You got like 3 Brett accounts. You got this one too. Hard for me to keep up sometimes, man. We're back below this pivot point. Once again. Yo no say.
This is not great. This is not great price action.
Well, it looks like accumulation. It could be like a small spring. If it could be a spring if it accumulates right now. That's how I call it.
Burner accounts for days. I do have a couple evals. I just trade here and there once I'm done trading my funded accounts for the day. Because I love to trade, but I don't want to risk my funded. So rotate from the funded to some evals and you keep it moving. That's it. Because this is my train of thought, right? I'm fully funded with Tradeify. So I can't get any more funded accounts until I blow a funded account. So I rather have evals already passed, ready to go. For whenever that time happens, I can just activate a new account. Keeps it simple.
We could see a one candle upwards. That's my prediction.
A one candle up. Okay.
Like a huge candle upwards.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears, Johan.
Let's see if it happens.
I know. I'm good with whatever right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to see some good movement.
I'm about to go to the Catholic Church and buy a big candle at this point.
You gotta show the market how it's supposed to look.
Right? If we lose this 21 EMA, I'm taking a short.
The Dow's literally just been fucking the market over today.
At least it's consistent.
Every single time the Dow starts to outperform, then the freaking other two started doing horrible. Like, the Dow started pushing higher and took out its previous high that was taken by NQ and ES earlier. And then it just started, the other two just started stalling out.
There's the VWAP.
Yo, your prediction was correct, but it was the wrong
On the wrong side, yeah.
There we go. Just added some more to the select account.
Dude, damn, W.
I said if we lost that 21 EMA, I'm taking the short.
And what time frame?
This is on the 2 minute. Well, actually, yeah, the 2 minute. 2 minute. Okay. I said it. Hey, I said it. If we lose this 21 EMA, I'm taking the short.
I did hear you in my own ears, so.
Because I saw a small bear flag, and we were having a lot of that selling pressure kept stepping in.
You should turn on your little order fill thing again, like you have.
That's only on Trade-A-Bait.
Man.
Order failed.
Low-key, I'd still be in my trade if I just like call it.
Because now, since we lost that, I feel like we're going to keep coming down now. Because we lost that pivot as well.
Basically a big range. I was wrong.
I would be looking for another bear flag right here to take us lower.
It's already 11 though.
It's coming up. We got 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes for 11.
I'm tired of looking at this range. It's making me sick.
Oh, you and me both. But hey, I did add extra $1,300 on this account.
Into the charts, I was like, there's definitely like trades that could have taken that could have took that were solid.
But it's like every country song in the book, you know, like trades you could have taken. I mean,
well, that were A+ setup because there's other setups, but it's versus like quality and quantity.
You would have waited like 10 minutes for this setup to play out. Like, you have to have.
This one, yeah, this one was terrible.
I want to see us reject off this VWAP. I want to reject off this VWAP to take us lower.
Yeah, that chapter we had last was 15 minutes long.
I'm hoping, I'm praying that we reject off this VWAP to build us this bear flag to take us lower. We got 25 more seconds. There's a rejection off the VWAP. Want to see if we get the full flush.
Stay close beneath the VWAP.
We got 10 more seconds on this 2 minute candle. 10 more seconds. We're well below. Can't say well below, but we're below the VWAP currently. Look, watching my Rinkos, watching the dance. I was gonna say I didn't get filled. It came back, tagged me in. I'll close this one quickly if it pushes.
Yeah, cooked out here. I'm trying to go inside. Oh.
I did not get filled where I wanted to get filled at, but we're going to see if this still pays. If not, I'll kill it. Straight agonist. No. That's dirty. We just tapped that 21 EMA. Let's see if it holds us down. This is the eval. That's why I'm even letting it play out a little bit.
Yeah, no breakout today. It just ranges.
Today sucks. It must be that it's gonna break out like way later in the afternoon.
Where I won't be here for.
We'll probably come back to the charts later, and then one of the session highs or lows was finally taken.
Possibly.
Yeah, I've seen that happen before.
Yeah, usually if it just consolidates all morning, then the move comes later in the day.
Yeah, at 11, I'm jumping off at 11. I'm just getting chop today.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I actually hopped off my charts and I'm playing a video game now.
What game are you playing?
I'm playing Rocket League right now.
Nice. Classic.
Very classic, very annoying, aggravating game.
So like the markets right now. So like the markets.
Yeah, I'll be playing GTA.
Yo, actually, I did love to play that game. I just had nobody to play with.
I feel that. I don't have a game console, but if I did, I'd play.
Oh, I see.
I'm waiting for GTA 6.
Bro, we've been waiting for GTA 6 since GTA 1.
Are y'all gonna give your IDs to GTA 6? They said to restrict like people from like playing that are underage, so you have to like go online and like update your upload your ID and like do a verification.
That's crazy.
To be honest with you, probably by that time I'm like chilling. I will definitely be buying a game console and everything else. Go.
No, play on PC is way better.
Yeah, PC is the best. Oh. Sorry, I got scored on.
Man, BP, you gotta start a Twitch. I'd watch.
Today's just a chop day, fam. Today's just a chop day.
Alright, it was good being here.
All right, Johan. Have a good day, bro.
Hey, Johan, take care, man.
Thank you.
Yo, G, what's happening with you, bro? How you doing over there?
Is he in here?
Yeah, he's still in here.
Yeah.
Duane said it's a good job day. That sounds like he's trying to say it's a good recovery day for him.
Oh, listen. I'm pissed with myself for trading the chop today. Like I said, the past not yesterday. After the stream yesterday, yes. But for like the past 2 days, I've just felt like extremely like sluggish and slow. Like even at dinner on Tuesday night, I told Brown, I'm like, yo, I'm not feeling right. I feel like I'm just like moving slow.
I did notice that you ended your stream early that one night. It was like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I went to hop on. I was like, oh, he gone.
Yeah, no, like I was trying to push through, but that day I was completely wiped. Completely wiped. Because like I said, that would have been what, 3 days in to me not getting real actual sleep while dealing with this issue with the muscle in my chest. And then I overdid it trying to paddleboard. Don't worry, boys. I got the footage of me wiping out on the paddleboard like 17 million times. Praying, dear baby Jesus, dear God, just let me stand. Please, please, please. I'm tired of falling. And that's what aggravated it even more, was my coughing was already aggravating it, and then that day just falling off, then having to pull myself back onto the board, then bench press myself to stand up. It just wiped me. Just wiped me.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever been paddleboarding, but I've definitely been surfing like twice.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
is the same trip, basically.
Yeah, I've never.
It's definitely a balance thing. It's very hard.
Oh, and my whole thing was the people didn't even tell me where I'm supposed to be standing.
Bruh. That's just like, hey, here's your thing. You do your thing, man.
No, that's literally what it was. Have you ever paddleboarded before? I'm like, no. He's like, okay, cool. Well, let me attach this so you don't lose your paddle. And I'm like, okay, cool. He's like, okay, just wait till you push out a little bit further before you try standing. That was it. No, like, hey, this is where you want to put your feet to keep yourself a little bit more balanced. Nothing. Brenda, she did it with no issues, but me, if it was recorded from behind me, you guys would have been laughing, because all you see is this, my feet going like this with my head trying to like get the balance to hold steady. But it was a process for sure. Back above this pivot point. But I didn't feel as bad because I saw other people wiping out as too that were paddleboarding. I'm like, okay, everyone's falling. I'm not the only one. They were way smaller than me falling. So that did make me feel a little bit better.
Yeah, it's just a hard balancing.
But I told myself I'm gonna practice, because when we're back in when I go back in November with y'all, I'm gonna be a paddleboard machine. Won't be able to stop me. So if we go back in April, I'm gonna be practicing then. We're already going back in September. So I'm gonna make sure I'm dialed in, so that way when I'm there, I'm cruising with y'all. Tap that pivot. Coming back down. Straight craziness. Look at this chop. Have a good one, Brett. I'll be jumping off here in probably 11:10. Let me actually order my ice. Because today is a legit recovery day. Which one will get here the fastest? That's
I'm
11
watching
30.
videos of people driving on the highway back at home in Minnesota because they got snowed on. And all these guys just drifting on the highway back and forth.
All right. Getting me 20 pounds of ice. confirm and pay. Hopefully it gets here in 20 minutes. That's what I was saying it could potentially be in 20 minutes. So I just got me pretty much 30 pounds of ice. Hopefully that's enough to last me for the day. Straight choppy chop chops. Yep. Times today's been a chop day. It's been a chop day. Let's see how far this goes down.
It's a really good entry.
Just watching the Renkos to see when the momentum starts to die. Starting to slow right there. Close that out right there. Quick little cleanup. Not trusting the choppy chop today.
Choppy chop.
The choppy chop chop. Let's see what this 1 minute's looking like. Well, that works. Got this account back to green.
Yo, you did the cleanup.
I did do the cleanup because it's an eval. Because it's an eval. I'll do the cleanups and evals, never in the funded. I let the fundeds sulk for a little bit. I let them sulk for the day and come back the next. If we get above this 21 EMA, I'll probably take another long for the pivot since we are trading the range here. We get above that 21 EMA, I'll take the long. Targeting the pivot. We're below that 21 now. I jumped in because we got above it. So let's see if we continue to push here. I'm expecting we would to test that pivot since we're chopping. Okay, gave it right back to the markets here after I cleaned it up. That's annoying.
Sorry, I didn't go out.
Oh, bro, I'm laughing with you.
I've done that before plenty of times. Up. Down,
I'd be
up,
crying if this
down.
was an actual funded account. So I'd be crying if this was a funded. But this is an eval, so we can laugh at evals. I'm still expecting it to push, but we're below that VWAP as well, so not too happy about that. All right, above the VWAP. Bulls are trying to step in here. Let's see how high they want to take it in this chop fest. We're back above the 21 EMA now. Want to stay above this 21. Come on, Betsy. Take me to that pivot.
In a second, we're gonna
Yeah, there we go.
I wanted to just.
Feel like we're going back to the pivot. But we're continuing to chop, so. Come on, Betsy.
Sorry.
Still above the 21. Got some slight consolidation right here. Want to see the bulls just start to push because we're in this chop city fest today. So I'm trying to trade the chop. This is an eval, folks. This is an eval. I would not be doing this in my fundeds. Feel like that pivot is up for grabs right now. There's the pivot touch. Close it right there. We'll take that. Could have held on a little bit longer, but I cleaned this account up. Got it $1,000 in the green. What else do you want from me? You know what I'm saying? What else do y'all want from me?
I think you made a great assessment for doing choppy head.
I agree.
You know, I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
I was trading, doing some scalps along there with you, so.
The next 936, we're going to tap that, but we're most likely going to reject. If we do not reject, I will take another long. There's the 936 tap. Let's see if we reject. If we don't reject, then I may take another long to say, hey, you know, let's see what else we could get. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, folks. What's up, Jersey? What's up, Reggie? What's up, everybody? So we tapped that 936. Marcus debating, do we reject or do we push? Do we reject? Do we push? If we get above 936, I feel like we'll push. If we don't get above 936, we're not going to push. It's literally that simple. So we tapped it. Bear stepping in here. Let's see if this pivot holds us. If it doesn't hold us, I may take a quick short just to say I did it. I'm having fun at this point. All right, that pivot's acting as a little bit of support right there. Let's see. This market has been complete trash today. All right, there's 936 tap again. All right, just push through it. Come on, Betsy. Take me higher. I've been waiting. Take me higher. Take me higher.
The soulful sound of Duane Broom.
Not the soulful.
Order today, and you also get.
So we tapped our first target. We tapped our first target there. We pushed through that first target, and then we started coming down. That's why I just closed out. Green is green.
Green is green. You know what's seen?
So far, about 220 on the day off of that. Sounds good.
Hey, we'll take it, Mitch. We'll take it, bro.
220 and sitting in paradise.
Yeah, now I'm back in bed, to be honest with you.
Oh, as soon as this ice gets delivered.
Oh, I went away and I called ice on your house, so it'll be showing up anytime now. Hey!
Showing up nice and cold. It's still going. Took out the New York AM high. Hey, good call outs this morning, Duane.
Hey, at least y'all caught the good ones. I caught all the bad ones. So, no, I got chopped, but
Well, it helped me bring my account back up, so I greatly appreciate it.
hey, at least one of us is winning, right? As long as one of us is winning, we're all winning.
Iron sharpens iron, man. This group is great. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I do know what you mean, Steve. I do know what you mean.
I mean, go ahead and call it a candle, and a big candle appeared. It was, but we could trade on either side of it, so it's cool. You know what I mean? Let's call it another big candle. I don't care if it's bearish, bullish. Let's ride.
Right. That's all time.
Let's ride.
I do want my bullish bias to work for the day, but at the same time, this job is not worth waiting for me.
Yeah, definitely not.
Boys, right at time. I'm saying we got on my chart here, I've got it marked out with the London high and yesterday PM high are sitting at the 25,054 and 25,080. I'm saying that they'll work their way up there throughout the rest of the day, but if they do, there's some liquidity resting up there.
Just add another $400 there. I'm just going to keep adding.
He's adding, not subtracting.
Well, wait, I should probably try losing so I could win like Jose was. You know what I'm saying? He was purposely trying to lose, but he kept making money.
Hey, that's
the talent.
If it works, it works. What works, works.
Yeah, don't fight it, right? Don't fight if it's working. Keep doing it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Nope.
That's right.
Since we're above my first target here, which has been taking forever to get up here, 25,003 will be the next target. 25,003.
That's where I got my TP zone marked at.
Okay. That'd be 53 points to the upside here.
Kind of points I need.
Just watching these candles right now on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. See what we get.
I need to get better at the point system, not the dollar system. Just tell my brain focus on getting points to pass the test, you know?
Yeah.
Because generally speaking, my history of just doing well with tests in high school and everything else in college wasn't always the best.
I feel that.
Sometimes the less I studied, the better I did, just from listening throughout the class. But being fixated on trying to get an A didn't do too well. So me being fixated on trying to make some money ain't gonna do me too good.
No, I completely. It's all psychological. You gotta know what your mind likes and keep it moving.
Like when people are, like have a system or paper trading and then they jump on the money and they're like, they're getting expecting themselves out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gotta put the pictures of your dogs like in the group somewhere.
Oh yeah, I got you.
No, because that's like that's some awesome. I mean, no disrespect to anybody that has like like one of those like chihuahuas or something, but I definitely gravitate towards like the bigger dogs. So.
Oh, right. 100%. The little dogs sometimes want to punt them like a football. Not actually, but, you know.
Every time I come across them, in my light, you know, they must be psycho or like, I don't know. It's just like they didn't even know their owner. Their owner would be coming home. They're like barking at the door. It's like that's not a smart animal.
That was weird. My internet just froze, but okay, let's see. Let's see if I could get out of this trade unscathed. Internet's freezing slightly on just my trading computer. That was weird. I don't like that.
Hey, everybody, have a good one, okay?
Alrighty, Steve. See you tomorrow, bro.
Take care.
Right. Yep, bye.
Bye.
Well, I think I'm gonna be jumping off here as well.
Yeah, that's probably hop off too before something detrimental happens to me.
That's relatable.
Yeah, play it safe.
No,
Play
me.
it safe.
No.
Hopefully tomorrow we're not chopping like we were today. I am planning on having the traders hang out tonight. I'll make my final decision around 5-6 o'clock, depending on how I'm feeling.
Sounds good. Hey, y'all just gotta remind me, don't overtrade.
Don't overtrade. So don't overtrade. With that being said, I will catch y'all either tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. Be blessed, everyone. Stay safe in this choppy market. Don't risk it for the biscuit. It's not worth it.
Facts.
And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, everyone. Be
All right,
blessed.
see you guys. Have a good one.
Take care.
Bye.
All right, Legacy.